Murugamiri ni munene wa ruhonge rwa NTSA Francis Major augite ni mekurehe mutaratara mweru wa mathomo kuri mathukuru ma guthomithania utereba guku bururi-ini. Muroto munene ari gutigirira matereba ni makorwo mari na wigiririki makiria barabara-ini.
The qualifications of instructors, those are some of the things that we are trying to say, can we update so that we ensure that there is quality in some of the and standardization across board to ensure that the learning environment is good, the instructors are qualified. All those is what we are trying to address.
Major ugite mari na mubango wa kurehe arimu mari na utaramu makiria mathukuru-ini maya undu umwe na kuhuthira njira cia kiriu guthomithia matereba maya niguo kwambatiria umenyo wa urire mari barabara-ini.
When a student goes into a class, he sits down in the computer and the computer can simulate questions for them to answer. Those are some of the things that we need to modernize. But I'm sure most of you have gone through the driving test. An instructor points at a symbol and tells you what is the meaning of this. We want to move gradually even to automated systems where the exam is standardized across board.
Ihideniru anyitite migorani sekta-ini ya bodaboda ni matafanire gikaro kia hamwe na arugamiria bodaboda kuma kaunti itiganite guku bururi-ini. Muroto munene ari kwariria mathina maria magumire ruhonge ruru hamwe na gwetha kihonia kiamo.
Rita ria mbere ithuĩ uko tukiucio thiini wa maundu maria kana kuthondeka mawatho kana kwenda kumenya bodaboda magiruta wira atia. Ungirora kuma mwaka wa 2015 hindi ria NTSA mekire rules and regulations, tutia husikire guthi guthondeka regulation icio, no thaa ici riu ni turoneka ni twagirire guko thiini wa metha iria uko githondekero mawatho mako govern mundu wa bodaboda waka.
Matongorete ni mwikaririgite wa Charles Gishira arugamiria ni matongorete minister ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i na mundu nae wa ukui James Macharia ni gwitikira kumakuruhania kamiti-ini ino.
Ni tondu hindi ria arendekithirie mendikithie maguthondeka task force arauzicire andu a bodaboda stakeholders aria moe ruo rwa gutwarithia bodaboda na nikio tuyahata association iria inyitanĩtie bodaboda ciothe Kenya ng'ima.
Poti watho ucio wa Matiang'i na CS Macharia na tuko turi thutha wao na nigetha moke nginya county-ini kuria kienda macinani.
Oho ni maugite ni meguthi na mbere na guthomithia runao ari mari matũra-ini mathomo mari marikia kwamukira muthenya wa umuthi ni gugutigira ruhonge ruru ni rwagacira.
Tugithomithio maundu megaine na corruption thiini wa bururi witu wa Kenya na ni maundu maria tukoretwo tukirutwo kuma muthenya wa ira na muthi ni twarikiriria na ni maundu maria tugucoka gukinyiria members aitu turi maciamani mothe ma county ciothe 47.
Kikomano giki kiria gikuharirio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC yukite thikũ nini thutha wa minister ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i na mundu nae wa ukui James Macharia kuruguria kamiti ya hamwe yakorire mitaratara ya kugaciria ruhonge ruru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.